Hello dear traders, welcome to our channel. Thank you so much for visiting our channel. First of all, happy Diwali to all of you. Hope this Diwali bring precious moments and blissful moments in your life. And second thing, thank you so much for your response to our first video, which is about YMC strategy. That is nothing but monthly multi-confluence trading strategy. I didn't think about it, I will get that response. In 1 week, I got 1000 views. That's really amazing. But yeah, because that strategy itself is really good to earn money out of the stock market. Now we'll discuss about three most important candlestick patterns because most of the guys discuss about candlestick patterns, where to buy and where to sell on which candlestick patterns, but no one teaches where these candlestick patterns are valid and how to trade it. So we'll discuss about it through the slides first, and then we'll see candlestick patterns and how to trade it on chart. Okay, let's discuss about it. Now we'll discuss about candlestick patterns. In initial days of mine, I also had a question in my mind, or also I faced this problem. Like I used to know candlestick patterns, but whenever I am trying to use it, it used to hit stop loss. So this is the case. I think it happens for every traders in their life because everyone knows the theoretical part, but in practical way, sometimes we need to dig down and analyze which actually really working rather than trading all the candlestick patterns, because we have almost 16 candlestick patterns, but out of those only 3 candlestick patterns are giving amazing money to me. Really guys, those 3 candlestick patterns which we are going to discuss now, those only are giving good amount of money to me. So we'll discuss about it. Now firstly we'll see what is the bull market and bear market. So basically if you consider 1 day data of a candlestick, that usually represent the price data of that stock over the 1 day. So the candlestick is nothing but like this one, right? Open, and open is this, and close is high. So this candlestick pattern is nothing but bullish market. So we can say stock is trending up. If open is high and low or close is low, lower than open price, then we say that like a stock is trending down, right? So basically that is a bear market. So when we collect this candlestick pattern together, then it recognizes as a patterns. So using that, we'll make our decision of buying or selling, right? So on those candlestick patterns only, we have all the 16 to 20 candlestick patterns. But the three most important candlestick patterns which I follow and which giving good amount of money to me, those are these three. So first is engulfing candlestick pattern, which consists of bullish and bearish. Second is Harami candlestick patterns, that again bullish and bearish. Third one is star candlestick patterns, that contains morning star, evening star, and shooting star. So these three patterns actually is really good to trade. But the thing is, we don't know where these candlestick patterns are valid, because when we see the chart, we see that like okay, candlestick patterns are everywhere, but how to trade? When I am trading it, it hitting stop loss. So the way we have to do is we have to change our strategy. So I will discuss that strategy with you. Okay, so now we'll go by one and discuss about it. First, we'll discuss about engulfing candlestick patterns. So engulfing candlestick patterns are combination of two bars or two candlestick on a price chart. So they are used to indicate a market reversal. The second candlestick will be the much larger than the first, so that it completely covers, or we can say engulf, the length of the previous bar. So now in this engulfing candlestick patterns, we have two patterns actually. One is bullish and second is bearish. Now we'll discuss about bullish engulfing. So a bullish engulfing pattern will be made of a shorter red bar like this, then it having the second bar or second candlestick, which is the green one, and this is engulfing first candlestick. So engulfing means it's covering whole body. So second candlestick is covering whole body of first candlestick, and it appears at the down trend, right? So this indicate that bearish trend is coming to an end and ready for uptrend. So this is about bullish engulfing. Now we'll discuss about bearish engulfing pattern. So bearish engulfing pattern will be made up of shorter green candle like this being engulfed by the longer red candlestick, right? So what this indicate us that bullish trend is coming to end, and now it's ready for a downtrend. So they are a common part for any trading strategy. Okay, so these engulfing candlestick patterns are really good to trade, but the thing is where these candlestick patterns are valid, because we'll see these patterns everywhere. So that is still mystery, but we'll discuss this on chart and we'll get clarity about it. Now we'll discuss about bearish engulfing. So the ZIL one, the ZIL trade rate, that is there for mm, bearish engulfing. Okay, so this pattern here, right, it is called as a bearish engulfing, as we discussed last time. So why it's valid here? Okay, so now when we go to weekly time frame, suppose for this trade, now see, it's taking support 1 2 3, basically see 1 2, and it came for a third time, right? So three support there, down trend line is 1 2 3 and 4. Now basically we are going on day chart to see that bearish pattern. So what we saw here, okay, it's taking support already right here, and here we saw this bearish engulfing pattern. So that's the reason this is valid. So if you do multi-time frame analysis and see the candlestick pattern at support or resistance level, that is the time, that time only these candlestick patterns are valid. Otherwise, if we make entry on any pattern or any pattern at any place, then definitely it will hit the stop loss. Sometimes you will get profit, but most of the times you will hit the stop loss. See, here is the bearish uh, engulfing, and the we'll see the my, if we would have taken the entry would be here, stop loss above trend line, and target will be the next support zone. So that here is almost 11%, guys. This is good move. It's really good move in 1 2 3 4 days. In 4 days 11% is very much good move by this strategy, by seeing these patterns. So this is the thing I am saying, no one teaches you where is the candlestick patterns is are valids. So please follow this. The second trend will see Jubilant. So again Jubilant for this, okay, again see taking resistance, and again it came for that. Now here downside taking support. Okay, so basically here what we'll see, the triangle pattern is forming, and on the next trend line, so trend line is acting as a support, and that time what we saw this bearish engulfing pattern. So that means this is strongly valid and having full of bearish pressure. So if we would have taken this trade, our entry would be after this close, basically here, and my stop loss above this trend line, and my target is next trend line. So basically here also almost 7.5%, guys. So this is what it is. If you follow properly and make entry on valid candlestick patterns only, because see, candlestick patterns are everywhere, but the thing is those needs to be valid. what gives the confirmation for you? So this is the thing gives the confirmation for you. So if you follow this way, trust me guys, you can earn money out of this market by following this strategy very easily. Okay, now we'll see bullish engulfing candlestick pattern first. So this is the Toronto power, and here at this place, if you could see, this is the candlestick pattern which is called as bullish engulfing pattern. But the thing is, why this candlestick pattern here is valid, right? So now I will show you why this is valid and how to trade it. That is most important part. See, if you see this channel here, we have this channel, okay, right? 1, 2, 3. So channel means one trend line and down trend line. Again here 1, 2, 3, and it's coming fourth time, right? So means what is happening actually in expansion channel, it's coming to this trend line, again reversing, it's going to that trend line, again reversing, again going to that trend line, again reversing. Now it came here, right? So now this trend line is there already, which is acting as a support, and we see this candlestick pattern is there, which is reversal trend. Means what, this down trend going to reverse and it will go for an uptrend, right? So if you see this candlestick pattern at this support of a trend line, then it is considered as a valid pattern. So if you see like this, you can see these patterns like any other places also, but why this is valid at this place only? So this is the reason, and this is the thing most of the times we hit our stop loss. So the thing is, now if I want to make entry here, actually I made entry after this trend line break, but if you want to make entry on this candlestick pattern, then my entry will be after this candlestick close, and my stop loss will be after this longer candlestick pattern, and my take profit will be this, or we can wait for the next target as well. But the thing is, as I discussed in my MC strategy video, my target is 5% in a trade, but here I earn around 6.5%. So this is like for one example. So we'll see the second example, which is engineer's trade. Okay, so let's say I will show you that one too, how why I traded there, or what is the thing that is valid there. Okay, now see here, this is triangle pattern, okay, right? So as we discussed in our previous video also, which things we matters for us is candlestick pattern, triangle pattern, channel pattern, and trend line, and most thing is trend line actually. So see, here is channel 1, 2, basically here not taking support, but here 3 times, right? So this is after that, but 2 touches are required. So here again, after came here, again it's taking the support, now came again, right? And once it came here, we see that what is this? This is the bullish engulfing pattern. First red candlestick is totally engulfed by the second green candle. I use the blue color for that, but this is the thing. See, totally engulfed. First body is totally engulfed by the second candle. Now, if you want to take entry here, my target entry will be here, and my stop loss will be below this trend line, and my exit will be this next trend line, right? So here we got almost 8%. It's really amazing, right? So now second most important candlestick pattern is harami. So what is meant by harami? Harami meaning is pregnant in Japanese. So it is also considered as a reversal candlestick pattern. Okay, so in this case, what is the thing is, first candlestick is large candlestick followed by small candlestick, and this is nothing but the harami pattern. Okay, so first is like bullish or bearish candle first day, and second is smaller bullish or bearish candle. So this Harami candlestick pattern again considered as a bullish or bearish on two different things like this we discussed, right? So we'll consider bullish Harami first. In this way, what is the thing is the first candlestick or a previous day candlestick is much higher than the second candlestick or second day candlestick. So this is bullish Harami, and in reverse way, if first candlestick is higher than the second candlestick, which is red candlestick, this is called as bearish Harami. So this is again bullish Harami appears at the downtrend, and bearish Harami at you can see it as a uptrend. So these are the reversals. So again, same questions where these are valid. So I think you got an idea where these candlestick patterns are valid. But let's see, we'll discuss it about these patterns on chart. So bullish Harami, we'll see ACC. So now in ACC, okay. Now in ACC, I already shared this chart in our first video, but we'll discuss it for this pattern, actually specifically this pattern. So why this pattern here is valid? Okay. Now see, upper trend line, down trend line. Yeah, this is the expansion channel. Okay. So upper trend line respected 1, 2, 3 times. Okay. Say down trend line 1, 2, 3, 4 times respected, and it again came there. So now that time we saw this candlestick pattern. So this is again bullish Harami candlestick pattern, which is reversal. So it came here, right? It coming for a downtrend, but it appeared at a trend line, and that's also for the expansion channel. So that means from here trade will go up for sure. So if I would have entered here, I would have entered at this after this close, basically, well, closing, and my stop loss would have been below this trend line or that candlestick, and my take profit is here, or if I want to wait, I can wait for this next expansion channel. But I already shared in this chart in my MC strategy video, I took entry here actually. So if you see this one, this is what my entry, and my target is 5%. So in this case also, right, if I went enter here, my target would be same from here till here. It's like that. It's actually 8%, but I would have exited at 5% also by seeing the candlestick formation. But yeah, it gave 8%. See, so this is the candlestick pattern considered as a valid candlestick pattern. So we need to follow candlestick pattern, but we need to think twice, thrice, or fourth time at least before entering into trade. Is this really valid? So that's the question we need to ask before entering into the trade. Now we'll see the next example is Nestle. In this trade, okay, we'll see this pattern again. Okay, now see here again, if you see upper trend line 1, 2, 3 times, down trend line 1, 2, and it came for third time. Now it came for third time. That time what we saw, the previous day candlestick and second day candlestick. So second day candlestick is again, see, this is a Harami pattern. What Harami? Bullish Harami pattern. So when we see this at the trend line, we can easily go for this trade. While this closing, our target stop loss would be below this candlestick, and our target would be next support zone here actually. Okay, so 6% again. See guys, so this is the magic of this pattern when it is valid. Okay, so the thing is we need to find it out where it's valid. If we able to find out where these candlestick patterns are valid, then trust me guys, there is nothing to learn more about these patterns or wait for it. But the thing is we need to ask twice or thrice at least before entering into trade, is this the candlestick pattern is valid? Okay, now we'll see bearish Harami chart. So Ramco Cement. Okay, see here. Okay, now see this upper trend line 1, 2, 3 times, and it came for 4 times, and down trend line 1, 2, 3, 4, and it came, okay, 4 times. So this is channel pattern. Okay, so now channel pattern, trend line, and this pattern formation here, see, bearish Harami. So first candlestick is very big and second candlestick is very small. So this is called as bearish harami. So if you would have entered here by seeing this formation at the end of this candlestick, and stop loss is above this trend candlestick, and next target is this trend line. So see guys, 7.11%. So this is what it is. So if you trade on the valid candlestick patterns, you can earn very easily with our confluence strategy. So that is what it is. So just make the combination of something into a single strategy and work on it. That will really help you. Okay, so now we'll discuss about our next candlestick pattern and then we can close it. Now we'll see third most important candlestick pattern, which is star candlestick patterns. Okay, now it consists of morning star, evening star, and shooting star. So morning star is for bullish pressure, and evening star for the bearish pressure. Okay, in morning star, if you see this pattern, right, it consists of three candlestick actually. First is very red candlestick, then doji, which is indecision, and then again big green candlestick. Okay, so this three candlestick patterns formation at the downtrend, it considered as a reversal trend, and it will be for bullish. So it will be going for like buying side after this formation basically. And for evening star, this is again at the uptrend. This is three candle formation, is same vice versa of morning star. So if you see it as a uptrend, and again as we discussed, right, where it's valid at trend line or a support or demand zone. So at support zone morning star, at resistance zone evening star. So if you see this there and you make entry, you will make a good amount of profit out of it for sure. But honestly speaking with you guys, these candlestick patterns forms very rarely. But if you find it out, and if you're able to make proper entry and find out like where it's valid, then for sure you will make money out of it. And the third thing is shooting star. So shooting star means this body, right? It should have this much body, and at least upper wick is at least double of this body. So like this and like this. So at least double. And there should be a little wick at lower side or no wick. And same for this color actually. Basically, doesn't matter green or red, but this is the formation of shooting star. Okay, now we'll discuss this on charts. Okay, now we'll discuss about morning star candlestick pattern on chart. So Hero Motors, we'll go. Okay, this is already open, Hero Motors. Okay, see, this is the morning star pattern as we discussed in previous slide. So basically, where it's valid, again same thing, candlestick. This trend line 1, 2, and respected for third time, and this morning star formation also. If I would have entered at the closing of this candle and exited at this next resistance zone, see, still is 5%, more than 5% actually. So this is what it is. So where it's valid, that is must to know about this candlestick patterns. So this is Hero Motors. We'll see second example is LT. So we'll see. Okay, see guys, this is again candlestick pattern of morning star. Okay, if again why it's valid 1, 2, and it came for third time, and we see this candlestick formation. Okay, so this is again same thing guys. So if you would have entered here again, profit of this target, see it gave the target of this next trend line as well. So if you see this one, how much is this? So this gave 20% guys, more than 20% is, yeah, see, if you figure it out, right, these candlestick patterns and where are these values, you can make money out of it very easily. So we'll see evening star next. Again I think evening star in Hero Motors only. So yeah, see here, if you see evening star at the trend line, right, see this trend line respected 1, 2, 3, not here, it's 4, and again came for 5 times, and we see this formation. So if you would have entered here Then see, this is the profit of almost 5%. See, so that is what it is. So if you make entry on valid candlestick patterns, you can make money out of it very easily. So we'll see next example again, Raymond. So see what is happening in Raymond. Yeah, see this candlestick pattern, which is again evening star. So this right, one, two, three times respected, and this trend line. Okay, at the trend line means at the resistance level, zone level of trend line, we are seeing this candlestick pattern, which is the evening star. So if we see this, and if we enter after seeing this, and stop loss is again about trend line, and see, we can get easily 5%, guys, easily 5% of this trade. So that's what this about evening star, and we'll see one two example of shooting star. Shooting stars, see guys, this two shooting stars, right? See, this is weak is at least double, at least means way more than double, and lower weeks is very little for this, right? So if you would have entered here, see guys, after this next day also, if you had entered 10% at least, guys, so this is more than enough, way more than enough, guys. Again for the next one is of like, see guys, at least 7-8%. Anyways, we cannot hold for this long, but yeah, see, at least 8% or 5% we can target it. So this is what we'll see. One more example, NCC. That is there in NCC. See guys, shooting star. So this, right, the little wick or no wick, and then upper wick is way more than double. So again, see, if we can trade these and get at least 10% in only 3 days, on for that we achieve 10% target. This 10% is more than enough, guys. Really, honestly speaking with guys, it's more than enough. So yeah, this is all about morning star, evening star, and shooting star. So guys, this is all about our 3 most important candlestick patterns. Once you follow this right, you will definitely say, I know candlestick patterns, and now not hitting the stop loss. Really guys, believe me, this will really make you profitable trader. Hope this candlestick pattern information will help you in some way. If you like it, please kindly do share with your friends. For more updates, please kindly do subscribe to our channel. Also, Telegram link in description below, where I do share my charts and about candlestick patterns as well. So please kindly join it. Till then, feel free to ask me any questions and comment below. Also, you can ask me via emails as well. Till then, take care of yourself. Thank you.